More Sinking Hearts. A story of Paper Boat. Appeal to end bullying. In a quiet village school by the river, there lived a boy named Aarav. He was gentle, thoughtful, and spoke very little. But he had a beautiful habit. Every day after school, he would fold a paper boat and float it on the river. No one knew why. It was as if the river carried his silent wishes away. But not everyone appreciated his quiet nature. A group of louder boys, Vikrant, Manav, and Rishi, often teased him. "Hey, boat boy, still dreaming you'll sail away? What's with all the silence? Lost your voice?" Maybe his boats are the only friends he has. Aarav never responded. He just walked on, folding his boats like tiny shields for his feelings. Then came Children's Day. Their teacher, Mr. Iyer, gave them a special assignment. Write a wish for someone in this class. Not for yourself. The next morning, Aarav found a folded note on his desk. It read, "I wish Aarav finds someone who sees the world through paper boats, like he does." He looked around the room. No one looked back. But for the first time in a long while, Aarav smiled. Someone understood him. Someone saw him. That afternoon, Aarav went to the river, as always. But when he reached the bank, he saw a boat already floating towards him. It had a name on it, Kabir. Kabir, a new boy who had joined just a few weeks ago, stood nearby, holding another folded boat in his hand. "I've watched you for days," Kabir said. "I think your boats are brave." From then on, Aarav and Kabir met at the river every day. They didn't talk much. They didn't need to. They folded dreams together and let them float. The turning point on the playground. One day during recess, the school playground buzzed with laughter and games. But in one quiet corner, under the shade of a large gulmohar tree, Aarav sat alone, knees tucked in, carefully folding a paper boat, as he always did. Vikrant spotted him and smirked. Vikrant, mocking loudly, "Hey, look, everyone!" Aarav's at it again, folding his little ferry boats. Manav, snickering. Maybe he's sending love letters to the river. Rishi, circling Aarav like a wolf. Or building a navy of imaginary friends. Better watch out, he might declare war. The three boys burst into cruel laughter. Aarav kept his eyes down. He didn't say a word, but his fingers shook as he tried to finish the fold. Suddenly, Vikrant lunged forward, snatching the paper boat from Aarav's hand. "Vikrant, what's this? A message to your boat buddies? Let's see." He crushed the boat into a ball. Aarav's eyes shimmered with unshed tears, but still he said nothing. Just then, a calm voice cut through the laughter like a stone through water. Kabir, firmly, "Enough." The boys froze. Kabir stood tall, his gaze steady. He walked over and took the crumpled paper gently from Vikrant's hand. "Kabir, he's never hurt you. He just minds his own world, and that takes more strength than you'll ever understand." He smoothed the wrinkled boat and placed it back into Aarav's hands with quiet respect. Then he turned to face the group. "Kabir, if teasing someone makes you feel bigger, maybe you're the ones who feel small." The laughter of all the boys faded. Somewhere nearby, a teacher's whistle blew. The bullies hesitated, then slowly backed away. Kabir sat down beside Aarav. "Kabir, are you okay?" Aarav, softly, "Yes, thank you." They said no more, just sat under the tree, folding a new boat, together. From that day on, something began to shift. Vikrant, Manav, and Rishi still hung out together. But their mocking tones grew quieter, their smirks softer. Watching Aarav and Kabir each day, calm, steady, kind, made them feel something new. Not guilt, not shame, something like respect. Next morning, Aarav reached the riverbank and saw 3 boats waiting in the water. One read, "Sorry." Another, "We didn't understand." The last one, "Friends?" Aarav looked up. The 3 boys stood there, unsure and silent. He smiled gently, the kind of smile that forgives without needing to speak. Then he handed them sheets of paper. They folded boats, together. Years later, Aarav became a writer. His first book was titled The Paper Boat Promise. In the dedication, he wrote, "For the quiet boys, for the loud ones who learned to listen, and for anyone who ever felt alone, you matter." Moral: bullies break with words, but friends heal with silence, support, and smiles. True strength is not in mocking others, but in lifting them up.